Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet these very simple hearts. The heart you can crochet like this, but in this video I show you how you can crochet heart with the stem and two leaves. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. I will crochet with the cotton yarn. This is Catania from Schachenmeier. And I need matching crochet hook, 2.5 millimeter. We need toy stuffing, stitch markers, sewing needle and scissors. I crochet the heart from this side to the ear and I start with these two pieces. I begin with the magic ring. And crochet first round 9 single crochet in the ring, eight and 9. Now pull yarn and close the ring. Second round 2 single crochet in every stitches. At the end we have 18 stitches. And 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Now I mark this last stitch. Round 3, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 24 stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet in first 7 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 27 stitches. Next 3 rounds, 5, 6 and 7, 1 single crochet in every stitches. Finish round with the slip stitch in the next stitch, cut yarn and pull yarn. Second piece I crochet the same like this, but at the end not finish it. Now I have both pieces ready and I will sew them together. On this second piece I sew this second stitch and third, and on this first stitch is this last stitch and the stitch where I crocheted the slip stitch. Now on this first piece from this side and here in this third stitch, 1, 2, 3 and one more time, and now here the last stitch and here the second stitch. One time and second time. Sew this yarn on the back side and now I have here 25 stitches and here 25 stitches. Together 50 stitches. Next 2 rounds I crochet 1 single crochet in every 50 stitches. I crocheted 2 rounds and I mark this side, not the stitch, just the side, that I know where is the start and finish of rounds. And from now on I will decrease the stitches. In the next round only 2 stitches on this side and 2 stitches on this side. I pull my work together, and these 2 stitches I mark the first here, and I continue this way, and on this side 2 stitches, and here is the first, and now 1 single crochet in every stitches to this first marker, and then I show you how you can invisible decrease the stitches. Next 2 stitches I crochet together, but in the first stitch only in the front loop, and in the next stitch 2 only in the front loop. Now pull yarn and through these 2 loops, and again pull yarn and through these 2 loops, and continue 1 single crochet in every stitches to the next stitch marker. Again next 2 stitches together in the front loop, next stitch in the front loop, pull yarn and through these 2 loops, and again pull yarn and through 2 loops, and continue 1 single crochet in every stitches to the end of round. From now on I decrease 4 stitches on this side and 4 stitches on this side. Pull together, and here this 1 2 3 4 I mark the first stitch, and on this side 1 2 3 4, and now 1 single crochet to the stitch marker, and now first 2 stitches together, 1 2, and next 2 stitches together only in the front loops, and continue to the next stitch marker, 1 single crochet in every stitches. On this side the same, first 2 stitches together, front loop, pull yarn, and next 2 stitches together. And 1 single crochet to the end of round. Next round the same, mark 4 stitches on this side and 4 stitches on this side, and then decrease these 4 stitches, and I crochet so many rounds until I have 20 stitches in round. Now I have 20 stitches in round, and I fill the heart for the first time. Now looks like this, and I crochet next round, decrease 4 stitches on this side, 4 stitches on this side. At the end I have 16 stitches. Next round, decrease 4 stitches on this side, 4 stitches on this side. At the end I have 12 stitches. Now I fill the heart for the second time, but I use wooden sticks. From now on I decrease only 2 stitches on this side and 2 stitches on this side. At the end I have 10 stitches in round. Next round decrease 2 stitches on this side, 2 stitches on this side. At the end I have 8 stitches. And the last round decrease 2 stitches on this side, 2 stitches on this side. At the end I have 6 stitches. Finish work with the slip stitch and cut yarn. Now I fill the heart for the last time. I sew this hole only in the front loops, in every stitches. You can pull this yarn and close the ring, and then looks like this, but I will show you how you can make this stem with 2 leaves. Therefore we need this hole. Now I will show you how to crochet these leaves. I start with a knot stitch and crochet 14 chain stitches. And 14. Skip the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 triple crochet in next 5 stitches, five, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, in the last stitch 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet, but this yarn come to the back. We can leave running this yarn in the middle few stitches. Now in this first stitch 1 single crochet, in the next stitch half double crochet, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, you can cut this yarn, 1 triple crochet in next 5 stitches, five, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. Now chain 4, skip the first stitch and 1 slip stitch in next 3 stitches, and 3. Now cut yarn and I will sew the last stitch. Here in this first stitch through both loops to the back, and in this last stitch through the back loop to the back, and now looks like this. Now you can sew this yarn on the back side, and the leaf is ready. And now you can use starch for the better shape. For the stem I need the skewer stick, and I glue the yarn on the stick and turn around. Now I put the first leaf and turn together with the leaf. If you want, you can glue this leaf. Now I put second leaf and the same. You can turn how many you want. And then this side come in the heart. And now you can pull this yarn and sew yarn end. And the heart flower looks like this. And the hearts are ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.